From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big day on crypto here on LALATE as your top cryptocurrency coins of 2021 are going sideways. We'll go over the top coins to invest in and the coins to stay away from. We'll go over the buying opportunities and where coins are going. Bear market, bull market, what's going on? Why is Bitcoin and Ethereum only giving the big returns? Along with Aave and Polygon sporadically, and the rest of the coins are falling apart. It's Tuesday going into Wednesday. You know what that means on this channel. Tuesdays are always a bloodbath. And guess what? It's a bloodbath. So get ready, you vampires, because I got great news for you. There's a lot of red today. Polygon and Aave and everyone else seeing lots of red. Bitcoin going down badly. $2,000 pop. Falling dramatically. Ethereum crashing. Then we got some Doge. It's not doing anything but doghouse performances. Polygon not going in the Polygon, going out of the Polygon. And then we have Aave. Saave sliding down. Slave sliding down quickly. Sushi Swap swapping for something lower. Decentraland not saying centralized in the good price point. They're falling. And Synthetic just getting sort of bad. And away we go. Meantime, the talk of the town, the new LA alerts are now expanding to include alerts about all your cryptocurrency options across the board. And make sure you sign up. I'll have more about the incredible details about the new LA alerts coming up in this recording. We'll go over the details, the split screen, the opportunities for new investors experience as well. And we'll look at the bear versus bull markets, a big broadcast. Thank you for joining me. And this is Crypto. How are you? 2 shows per day. Mornings Crypto live on air at 9:45 a.m. and overnights Crypto starting every day at 3:45 p.m. So subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, fastest growing cryptocurrency channel there is. I want you part of this family. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like the video, 2,000-3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. And if you have not signed up for the new LA alerts, because the incredible platform rolled out by this channel, nowhere else is there any type of news alert system like this in the United States. It's only now with LA, and it's going to expand for more details for my crypto viewers. So if you want to know more about a particular coin, watch for the alerts that go out about this show and the Overnight Crypto show. I'll include more content in there in the next few days. You go to news.la.com/alerts. That link is in the description of this video. It's also in the pinned comment. Then it'll send you to the LA website. It'll put in your name and your email address. It's 100% free, Free. After that, watch for the confirmation email. It may go to your spam folder, so watch for it. It looks like this. Click the blue button to subscribe. It's a double opt-in, and then it'll say, thank you. You're now subscribed for the LA alerts, and you'll get alerts like this one for noontime. And with that, let's go into all the details starting right now with the coins and where they're going and what they're not doing. Tuesday, predictable. Predictable down. I mean, this market has always done the same thing over the last, 4 months? The same thing on every single day. Which days are up, which days are down. Let's recap if you're new to this channel. Mondays are good days. They're always up. Tuesdays are always bloodbaths. Fridays are down until the end of the day, and then Fridays start to pick up at the end of the day. Then Saturday's the highest day of the whole week. Highest day of the whole week between sunrise and 12 noon Pacific Standard Time. Then Sunday afternoon, downturns. Saturday afternoon, downturns. Sunday evening is the lowest price point in the entire week. So we have this trend line from Friday to Sunday. Friday high, then down trends, then Friday night starts to trend up. Saturday, its highest price point in the entire week by noontime, then downturns by about noon, slower, lower in Saturday afternoon, lower Sunday evening, Saturday keep on getting lower and lower until we go into Sunday. Sunday is the lowest price point in the whole week. Then Monday, we come up dramatically. We usually come up 80% of what Saturday's highest levels were. And then on Monday, at the end of Monday, we're done. And Tuesday's a bloodbath. And guess what? It's a bloodbath right now. So how about Wednesday, Thursday? Wednesday, Thursdays are really now lately sort of the market indicator days. They do their own thing. There's nothing consistent about Wednesday and Thursday ever. Nothing consistent. Maybe up, maybe down. But now we're using Wednesday and Thursday as our market indicators, because if we're looking for bull activity, we're looking for bull activity on Wednesday and Thursday. If we think we're heading back to a bear activity, we're looking for Wednesday and Thursday to be bearish. So what have we learned over the last few weeks? We've learned that 2 weeks ago, the Wednesday and Thursday was the breakout bull week. Breakout bull days. We had Bitcoin and Ethereum doing their breakout performance for about 4 weeks ago, but the rest of the coins not doing anything. They're still devaluing. This was 3-4 weeks ago. And then it changed on that Wednesday and Thursday because of the benchmarks. More about that in a second. The breakout happened on the Wednesday and Thursday, and that's when altcoins went way up. Last Wednesday and Thursday, not so much. Not so much, very sort of flat, so not good news at all, because flat is not bull, flat is sort of bearish. Then last Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, what happened? Everything from Friday and Saturday was about 8 hours earlier, which happens now and then. Remember I told you Saturday morning's up, Saturday afternoon's down, where everything was moved up 8 hours earlier, which is fine so long as we see it happening. And that's what happened. That our Friday was much more up, our Saturday was sort of flat, our Saturday was then turning down, and then our Sunday was down as well. So Monday was up yesterday as expected, and it delivered exactly what you expected. The $50,000 Bitcoin, the $3,200 Ethereum, and generally coins were up, but not that much. And this is what's critical. If you've been with this channel, I always do the sort of comparison of down versus up days. You can have a great up day Saturday, but you better not have your Sunday more down than your Saturday. You can have a strong Monday, but you better not have your Tuesday much more down than your Monday, because guess what? It adds up. And this is how we had a bear market since May, and certainly since the last market crash, which was about 8 weeks ago. What was it? It was the following. You would have a Monday where you're up 3%, and then a Wednesday, and then a Tuesday where you're down 4%. A Wednesday where you're up 8%, and then a Thursday where you're down 12%. So you look like you had some great days, but you had some much worse down days, and you can't do that. Otherwise, you devalue. And this is why Bitcoin and Ethereum have done well over the last few weeks, because their down days are not that severe and their up days are really good, and that they're having a lot more up days than down days. But the rest of the coins have not. So what's going on? Let's look at first our market indicators. If you've been with this channel for the last 4 weeks, you have seen that, it's biting my tongue. I turned on the #1 financial news channel in America today, and they had a crypto guy on at, I don't want to say what time it is because I don't want to trash talk him, but he was talking about coins in just sort of this general term as though they were all doing the same performance. They're not. I mean, coins are not acting all the same way. You have Bitcoin and Ethereum doing their one thing, and then a lot of coins sort of doing well, and then a lot of coins not doing well. And to say that everything is doing great is just not true. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, let's back up, because they are absolutely in their own la-la land. They are in their own la-la land. And if you own Bitcoin and Ethereum, God bless you, because you're doing well. The rest of the coins normally would look at Bitcoin and Ethereum and say, oh, you're doing so well, I'm going to do well. They're not. And you would think that if broadcast media puts Bitcoin and Ethereum up on the screen, up, 50,000, best number since May, you would think the other altcoins would do well. They're not. So what's going on? Let me explain to you. Let's look at Bitcoin. Here is Bitcoin right now. This is this is today's chart. This is Gemini. The reason it's red is because it's down. My mouse is in the chart. Watch as my mouse moves through the chart. The price in the upper corner changes. So we started the day at 49,500. We are now currently at 47,000. We got as low as 47,000. This is significant because yesterday we were at 50,000. You're down $3,000 on a $50,000 coin. That's significant. That's almost 8% in 24 hours. You don't want to see that for the best two performing coins, the bull of the bulls, because that is not good. Especially you don't want to see that on Tuesday when your money was not as strong. So let's look at our 7-day chart. Clearly the 7-day chart is up. But let's look at Monday. Here's Monday, 50,000. Here's right now, 47. What was our Sunday? 48. What was our Saturday? 49. What was our Friday? 47. You mean we're at last Friday's levels already by Tuesday? Yeah. Where were we on Thursday? 47. Okay, we're almost at last Thursday's levels. Where were we on Wednesday? 46. So we're just $1,000 away from last Wednesday's level. Where were we on Tuesday? 44, 45, 44. We don't want to be giving up that much if we're a bullish coin in a down day. You want your down days to be slightly down, but not that much. Now, clearly, the 4-week chart on the several week chart on Bitcoin is great. This is a coin that was 29,000 after the last market crash and has been on this enormous run. Here you go. So when 29,000 zoomed up and continued to ride up, but what is interesting is that we were waiting for it to really head to 50. So this was a $63,000 coin during the summer, but really did not stay there. This was basically a $50,000 coin. And when you're at 47,000 or 48,000, you're a blink away from 50,000, which is great news. You would have hoped to not give up too much on a Tuesday. So what's going to happen on Wednesday and Thursday? Are we going to try to give, another 5% up so that maybe we're close to getting 50,000 on Saturday? More about that in a second. Here's Ethereum. Ouch. Ethereum started the day at 3,300. It went as low as 3,000. So here, 3,100, 3,000. So what is it? Where is it now? Oh, that does not look good. Do you like that? I don't like that. We start the 7-day right here at 3,100. Where are we right now? 3,100. We're $100 up for the 7-day. How low did we get? Maybe on Tuesday last week, we got to 3,000. So we're almost down for the 7 days on Ethereum. No bueno. This is supposed to be a bullish coin. This is supposed to be a very bullish coin. It's now heading to be almost down for the 7 days. Now, clearly it's up from where it was during the last market crash. It went as low as 1,800, 1,900, 1,700, and now is, pushing 3,200. What is interesting about this is that these are two coins, which over the last 3 weeks, I've said they are in their own universe. They are the Jetsons in their own circling, flying car, and they do their own little thing. So do not think because Bitcoin is heading to 50,000 that your Solana is going to go to its all-time high, because they're not. Let's explain what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go over what they're doing, and then let's go over how that impacts other coins or doesn't impact coins. Here's what's at issue. Ethereum and Bitcoin are breaking through with resistance levels. What are resistance levels? Resistance levels are trading ranges. 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 4. Okay, I can't get above 4. Okay, I broke through 4. I got to 420. I got to 440. I got to 450. When you break through resistance levels, you go higher. When you break through lower resistance levels, you go lower. It's sort of like a plank of wood on top of my head. The plank of wood on top of my head, if I can't get that plank of wood off of my head, I can't go higher as a stock price. I can't go higher if I don't get that plank of wood off my head. Also, the plank of wood underneath my feet. If I can't kick it away, I can't go lower. So Bitcoin consistently kept on breaking off of planks of woods. It broke through the resistance level of 30, then 35, then 40. I didn't think 40 was much of anything because 40 was not any achievement whatsoever. When it got to 45,000, then people started noticing. I started noticing, but what did I notice? It broke through 45,000, and I said, hey, it's breaking for 45,000, and nothing else, with the exception of Ethereum, is doing well. Something is wrong. I can't understand this because Bitcoin is the poster child of crypto. If it's doing great numbers, heading back to May levels, everything else should be doing well, and they weren't. So what I said was, if a Bitcoin gets over 47,000, that was my benchmark. Over 47,000, and Ethereum gets over 3,200, and the rest of the coins rally up, then we're in full bull territory. Bull means up, bear means down. It did get there. It broke through 47. Ethereum did break through 3,200. And coins did start to rally, but didn't really hold it. And now, after 2 weeks, you see that Ethereum and Bitcoin are trying to go below those thresholds And you see that over the last 2 weeks, altcoins have not really generally delivered. There have been exceptions. Cardano has had a good run. Polygon, Aave, AMP did a nice run because it's such a cheap coin, but it's been down generally. And over the last 2 weeks, now coins are starting to look like they may not be up for 2 weeks, altcoins. So what am I looking at for just Bitcoin and Ethereum before I look at my altcoins? Just for Bitcoin and Ethereum, I want to really see if Bitcoin and Ethereum tests their lower thresholds. I would never think that I would be saying this 24 hours ago because all I was talking about was upper thresholds. Remember what I said yesterday? I said, I want to see Ethereum really stay above 47, and I want to see, Bitcoin stay above 47 because I want that to happen because next will be 50. Once you stay above 47, then you go to 50, and then you're back at your May levels because this coin was basically a $50,000 coin in May. It only went to 60,000 for a blink of an eye. It was a $50,000 coin. So if you stay above 47,000, you'll be at 50 in a second because $3,000 move up on a $50,000 coin is not a lot. It's just a few percentage points. But it didn't do that. It didn't do that. And I know Tuesday's a down day, but darn it, Bitcoin, you didn't do that. So is Bitcoin going to do it on a Friday? Do it on a Saturday? Saturday's the big day. Saturday's the big opportunity. Or are we all looking at a coin that's just going back down? We shall see. And that's why Wednesday and Thursday are the big days that determine where the market's going because they're random days. They sometimes are up, they sometimes are down. And if Bitcoin gives us a big rally on a Wednesday and Thursday, we are really going to 50 because then we're set up for Saturday to head to 50. If Bitcoin devalues on Wednesday, Thursday, tries 44, 45, 43, God forbid, then we are really going lower on Bitcoin. Ethereum. The Ethereum is the same. Ethereum and Bitcoin are the brother and sister. They are doing their own little thing. And I know Ethereum has had a faster run than a Bitcoin and may have a faster slide than Bitcoin, but it is just Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Here is Ethereum. Now, what is the number I'm looking for Ethereum on for sliding? I would say 2,900. If Ethereum gets under 2,900 and stays there Wednesday, Thursday, I'm worried. I'm worried because this is not bullish activity. You don't have 2 weeks down. Remember, these are coins that had May to 3 weeks ago of bearish activity. And the fact that you come in and give me 10 days of bullish activity, I don't call you a bull. I don't call you a bull. And that's why that analyst who went on the news saying, hey, Bitcoin is almost at its May levels. My response is, yeah, but it's only done that for like 2 days. And the rest of the market is just going left and right. It's not staying up. So be cautious. All right, now that you understand Bitcoin and Ethereum, what about the rest of the market? The rest of the market, I would normally use Bitcoin and Ethereum as my benchmarks on going up. Meaning I had said if Bitcoin goes over 47,000 and stays there, and Ethereum goes over 3,200 and stays there, then your other altcoins are going up. Generally lately, over the last 2 weeks, the coins do not go up if Bitcoin and Ethereum are having great days. It's like I don't know what's going on. There's no explanation for it. Sometimes it helps. They help the other altcoins. Sometimes they don't. So, but what we're learning today is the reverse. When Bitcoin and Ethereum have bad days, other coins have had bad days. So while Bitcoin and Ethereum do not help you on their up days, they apparently do hurt you on their down days. Yeah. So guess what? Coins are going down today, just like Ethereum and Bitcoin. And here we go. There's Doge, 29 cents. This is worrisome. This is worrisome. I got to tell you why. Because Doge was 31 cents after its last market crash. Excuse me, 31 cents going into the last market crash. And the fact that it is now, not finding a comfort zone is troubling. Doge into that last market crash was 31 cents, as now at 29 cents. It's worrisome. Here's Polygon. Now, this is an example of why rectangular charts sometimes are deceptive. This looks like it's a very big fall. It's not, because Polygon is 150. This is why you have to sort of remember numbers. Polygon at 150 is great news because it means it's not giving up much. Let's look out. There. So Polygon 167, 167, 167, 153, 7 cents. Who cares? That's why you always have to be careful to look at these charts. It may look dramatic until you really remember the number. Polygon has had this incredible run from 92 cents over the last 4 weeks. So Polygon, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, has had a great run. At the moment today, Polygon's looking better than Ethereum and Bitcoin because it's not giving up that much. What about the other great coins like Aave that had a beautiful run? What is Aave doing today? Ouch. So Aave started the day at 414 and has gone as low as 371. What is that? That's $40? Wait a second. It's down $40 on a $400 coin? Yeah, that's 10%. That is not good. Folks, that is not good because money was not that great. Let's look at the chart. Oh, ouch. I had gone over with you yesterday these resistance levels on Aave, compound, Decentraland, synthetic. Resistance levels. Look, it's flat here. It won't get above this level. 414. There it was. 414. Won't get above 414. They all had resistance levels. Well, what happened? Aave tested the resistance level on Monday and said, thank you, I'm going lower. So now is Aave testing the lower resistance level? What is the lower resistance level? It's like 370. Where's Aave right now? I don't even know. Let's see. 380. Oh, it's only $5 away from the lowest resistance level the last 7 days. That's bad news. That's really bad news. Let's look out further. Here you see that resistance level very clearly here, 376. Boy, if Aave breaks below that resistance level, and here it is again over here, 376, where would the next lowest be on Aave? 354. Oh, boy. Folks, you see how this is. Clearly a resistance level here on the high end of 418. It doesn't want to get above that. But if it breaks below this, which is only $4 or $5 away, and the day is just getting started, then the next low on Aave could be 351. The next resistance level is 310. Yeah, you see how this is changing very quickly. Let's look at SushiSwap. Oh, boy. So SushiSwap started the day at 13 and is now at 12. So it's lost $1 on a $12 coin. Yeah, that's about 10%. Let's look and see if its resistance levels have been broken. Oh, boy. It is... its resistance level is 1240. Where is it right now? 2046. Same situation as Aave. This is bad news, folks. It's 6 cents away from breaking through its 7-day resistance level on the low end. What's its next resistance level? 1183. Yeah, 1183. It could go down another 64 cents. It could be at this resistance level of 1183. Then the next resistance level is 1090. You see how you don't want to give up much on these down days. Here's Decentraland. Let's look at that 7-day because I don't remember Decentraland. Oh, interesting. So its resistance level is 87 cents. It's doing the same thing. It's at 87 cents. Oh, it's got to the resistance level. Wow. Where would the next resistance level be on Decentraland? Like 81 cents. Trouble with a capital T. Synthetic. Oh, boy. Ouch. So let's look at the coins across the board. Let's look at Gemini. We're looking at one of the platforms. We're going to click on the third column to see the worst performing coins today. How badly are they down? SushiSwap is the worst performing coin today. Wow. So SushiSwap is actually second worst performing coin, down 10%. But look how many coins are down 10%. AMP down 10%, which was not doing well for forever. Engine Coin down 10%, Compound 9%, Synthetic down 9%, Polygon down 8%, Doge down 8%, Aave down 7%. And if you've been with this channel, Live Peer down 6-7%. If you've been with this channel yesterday, you know they did not give you 10% up on Monday. So their Monday was what? 2% up, 3% up, maybe 1% up, and their Tuesday is down 10%. This is starting to sound like the bearish market of last month. Let's go into the split screen. I want to see what the whole market is doing. We're looking at coinmarketcap.com. This is what we talk about on this channel. You can't give up much on your down days if your up days aren't that high. So the whole market's down 4%. Bitcoin is currently down 3%, up 5% for the 7 day, barely up for the 7 days. And there's Ethereum. It's down 5% for today, and it's up less than 1% for the 7 days. So Ethereum is about to be negative for the 7 days. Incredible. Cardano is an anomaly. It is down 7% for today, but it's still up for 33% for the 7 days. What is the best performing coin today? This is the same, these same coins that are on platforms that are not regulated in the United States, or coins that are not popular among U.S. investors, like Quant, Avalanche, MDX, but they're generally, let's be clear, who cares what they are? None of them are 18% up. They're up 6%, 10%, and the rest are up 1%. What are the worst performing coins today? Wow, we got a lot of 13% down coins. What are the best performing coins for the 7 days? Avalanche up 103%, Near Protocol up 40%, Airweave up 31%, Cardano up 33%, Swissborg up 28%. What is the worst performing coin of the last 7 days? Shiba, of course, down 14%. Celius down 10%. Compound down 11% for the 7 days. Aave down 10% for the 7 days. SushiSwap down 9% for the 7 days. Doge down 9% for the 7 days. Wow. Yeah, it's an issue. It's an issue. So what am I thinking on the back of my brain? I think you know what I am thinking about. What am I thinking about? I'm thinking about what I said going into 2 weeks ago. I said, as coins devalue, that sometimes they have pops up for 7 days or 5 days. Then as coins go down, as they slide down, they don't always just go sliding straight down. Sometimes they flatten out for a few weeks, maybe a month they flatten out, and then they go down lower again. I am a little bit cautious about where this market is. Remember, I was very cautious on saying that anything other than Bitcoin and Ethereum were exhibiting bull tendencies. Clearly, Ethereum and Bitcoin are exhibiting bull tendencies, but the rest of the coins, I've never said they're exhibiting bull tendencies because they're not. I've never said they're in a bull market because they've not exhibited bull tendencies, upward trends for more than 7 days. They give you 2 days 2 weeks ago that are really great, and then 1 day last week, and so far this week, a lackluster Monday. We do not still see a bear market. Excuse me. We do not still see a bull market in the altcoins. We see a bull market that is not relatively stabilized in Ethereum and Bitcoin, because now Ethereum is almost down for the 7 days. But we clearly see coins not exhibiting bull tendencies among the altcoins. They're exhibiting bear tendencies 9 out of 10 days. Be very cautious. A lot happening. And with that, don't forget to be part of the incredible new success story of this channel, which is the LALATE alerts. It was launched in 24 hours and immediately captivated a country with thousands of people signing up daily. What is it? It's totally free. You go to news.la.com/alerts. It sends you alerts when a new video goes live. If you like to receive alerts about all the videos on this channel of all different subject matters, this is for you. And then, of course, it'll send you alerts about the 2 crypto shows on this channel every day, the one at 9:45 and the 2:45 show. It also sends you alerts about the other shows on this channel. On the crypto alert shows in the next few days, I'm going to add some more content that you'll see in the alerts to talk about really what's going on with particular coins and understanding things like resistance levels and Bitcoin. Great stuff for beginners. It's totally free. When you go to news.la.com/alerts, you put in your name and email address. Then watch for your confirmation email. It may be in the spam folder. Click the blue button. Click the blue button to confirm, and then you'll get that thank you alert. If you tried it and you've not gotten the confirmation, you can start it all over again and do it again, no problem. And that is the brand new LA alerts. And with that, I am so excited for everything that this channel is rolling out for you. I told you we're gonna have a lot of great stuff in the next few weeks. And with that, subscribe. 400,000 subscribers on YouTube record. I want you to be part of this channel. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like the video and consider becoming a member. Purple Hawk, Purple Power, Calcino VIP. Have a beautiful day and stay with LA for more.